Hello friends, I am Saurabh. By this YouTube channel, I want to say something. I will teach you over here. What will I teach you? How will I do that? I will discuss everything over here. First, I want to give you my intro. I am Saurabh. I am pursuing my MTech from Galgotia in automobile engineering. I have done my BTech from JL Bajaj in mechanical engineering. I am also preparing for GATE exam from ADC Center. I'm pretty sure you have heard this. So I know things, how to prepare, how to do things. So I will share with you some of my experience. In every exam, aptitude and English come. In every exam, aptitude and English come. So in this, by this YouTube channel, I will teach you, I will discuss with you aptitude syllabus and English syllabus. And as you know, physics, chemistry and math is the weakness of a engineer. So I will discuss all these three subjects. First of all, I will take 11th class physics, then 12th class physics, then basic physics, after that such as math, and then chemistry. So let's see the topics over here. First of all, about English. In competition English, always grammar comes here. So I will take reference of a lot of books and I will follow the Christopher Sir books. I will follow this book. By this book we will study. The topics are, first of all, syntax. It means subject and verb arrangement. All the rules I will tell you over here. That with singular verb, singular subject comes. All the things I will discuss with you here. After that, noun, then pronoun, then verb, non-finite verbs. After that, adjective, then adverb, then conjunction, preposition, time and tense. It means translation, all the translation. Then articles, then question tag, conditional sentences, then voice, then narration. Narration means than that sentences. Correction, proverbs, synonym, antonyms, one word substitution, and so on. We will discuss all these topics one by one in this English playlist. You can check my all the videos by this YouTube channel. And we will also discuss about aptitude. In aptitude, I will discuss you math and reasoning. Aptitude, I will discuss with you math and reasoning. In math, number system is the first topic will be ours. Then power, indices, and third one is simplification. Then algebra, LCM HCF, percentage, profit loss, discount, SIMCI, simple and compounded means average, ratio, partnership, mixture, payment work, payment distance, बोटन स्ट्रीम के क्वेश्चन जो होते हैं, ज्योमेट्री, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, mensuration, and in reasoning we will discuss calendar, clock, cue, direction के क्वेश्चन, blood relation, sitting arrangement, and so on. By this, one by one, we will discuss all the topics so that you can prepare for your competition exam without any problem. And in physics, we will discuss 11th class physics in first, then 12th, then 10th, 9th, all the physics we will discuss one by one. So, in physics, first of all, we will discuss 11th class physics course. After that 12th, then 10th, then 9th, basic physics. After that, we will take math, then chemistry. In physics, so you can also check syllabus from net, and in your books, I will write some units over here so that you can match. So first topic is physical world. भौतिक जगत. Second is units and measurement. Third one is motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line. Fourth is motion in a plane. And so on, law of motion, work, energy and power, system of particles, gravitation, mechanical properties of solid, mechanical properties of fluid, thermal properties of matter, thermodynamics, my favorite one. Then kinetic theory, then oscillation and waves. The last topic is 15 topic is 15 नंबर का topic है आपका ray optics, जो नया ऐड हुआ है NCERT के सिलेबस में, and opticals. So one by one we will cover all the topics over here. You can check my playlist. You will find all the videos. Now I will upload all the videos one by one, and I will prepare notes before making the videos. If anyone wants my notes, can contact me by email ID and by WhatsApp number. WhatsApp is not for calling, only for WhatsApp. Okay, my email ID is Saurabh Sharma 2402@gmail.com. Okay, and WhatsApp number is by this you can contact me, you can ask for notes, and you can give me questions by this, so that at Sunday I will provide you the solution of the question. And one more thing here, don't call me by on this number, okay? And you can find these information in description. And we will start our studies from tomorrow. One by one, we will cover all the topics. I hope you will enjoy it. You know the rule, like, share and subscribe. That will be great for me. for us, because by this it gives me, it inspires me, so that I will make more videos so that you can study. It is a win-win condition for both of us. So please like, share and subscribe and give me your support. I hope you will, because you are good one, yeah. So thank you very much to listen me, and I hope you will stay home and stay safe. Bye.